Freshly renovated, freshly renovated, freshly renovated. Ready? Instead of buying a one-bed, one-bath condo in Seattle for $500,000, why don't you travel 45 minutes south to a town called Edgewood and get something for $570,000? It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 1,300 square foot property with just under half an acre. Let's go see the inside. Inside, we have a freshly renovated home. As I said, sits with 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a beautiful wood-burning fireplace, which you don't have in Seattle. Most of the Seattles are all electric. The whole house is electric. Fresh, brand new, LVP installed, really tall ceilings in here. Okay, not really tall, but tall enough ceilings in here. In here, we have a beautiful, tucked away, again, fully remodeled kitchen. All the high amenities, all the high appliances, with a full shower in here. Shower, tub, tile on the floors, beautiful vanity, beautiful skylight, and a laundry room with the exit to the back door. As I said, you do have just shy of half an acre lot, which is amazing. The grass is coming in, you have a beautifully updated deck, amazing scenery in the backyard, place to actually stretch your legs and not be trapped and canned into a little corner there as well. Over here we have the first bedroom, obviously modern door, modern finishes. Can't forget the aesthetic modern blinds right here. Upstairs, 2 more bedrooms and a bathroom that is actually very, very, very beautiful. So let's go take a look. Bathroom number 1 or number 2 in this scenario, amazing, beautiful, green vanity, custom tile finishes, ceiling is tiled with an amazing skylight in there as well. And the primary suite or the primary bedroom is phenomenal. I'm a big fan of the triangle topped ceilings in here, makes the room look 14 times bigger. And what you mostly will see is right about where the lights are at, they usually cut this off and make it like a half an octagon shape. Again, going on with the theme, beautiful doors, modern finishes, just all in all, a very great job. The final bedroom of this house, actually very open, very airy, beautiful view, immense amounts of natural light coming in. Now let's go see the outside so you can actually see the yard space. Now the outside, as I said, is the grass is growing in. You can see it's all fully resawed and reseeded. They got a beautiful new fence up at the front, a beautiful drive-in, enough space for you. Now in the back, they have, as I said, a beautiful deck and enough space. Once this grass fully comes in, which you, as I said, you can see it coming in, it's going to be phenomenal. A little oasis here for you, fire pit, got a little walkover bridge, rocks are in. Just all in all, going to be a beautiful scene to look at. Thank you so much for tuning into Seattle Living 101, your ultimate guide to everything you need to know about not just Seattle, but Washington in general. As you can see, this property tour was in Edgewood, 45 minutes south of Seattle. If you are interested in this kind of videos of property tours, we have a lot more scheduled up. Scan the QR code, click on the link, set up a Zoom with us. We'd love to show you what it would look like for you to either buy, sell, or move to Seattle or move from Seattle. Thank you so much, and see you guys next week.